Hello guys, I'm Zenat. I hope you all are doing well, and today's video is gonna be on my dentist appointment, cuddles, and care. Join me on my dental adventure, so let's get right into the video. The clinic was 1 hour far from my home. So we've reached there, and name of the clinic is Dentista Aegis Vadis Polyclinic. There was 2 cute white dogs. I loved them. I wanted to touch them, but I was scared. My appointment was at 3 o'clock, but we reached there 15 minutes before, so till then I started playing because the clinic was renovated very beautifully. And there was a lot of stuff to play with. There was a mini kitchen, dressing table, coloring charts, crayons, and more, so I not felt bored and enjoyed a lot. So it was my turn, and I got to the doctor room with my dad to examine my teeth. In the doctor's room, there was a big pink panther which had holding a big toothbrush in his hand, so I started to brush his teeth. So I was bargaining with my daddy, and nurse came and asked me to come with her to the doctor so they can take x-ray of my teeth, which are being eaten because of eating a lot of chocolates. Until the reports came, I played chess with daddy, and obviously I was the winner as always, ha ha ha. Here I'm making tea and toast for my mommy. So we are free from here, and we are going to finally market from there. I'll buy my favorite Cheetos and juice. So this is the seat in my car where I really loves to sit but waiting to get elders, so then I'll have no restrictions and find Sue. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you click down below and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell and leave me a comment. Stay awesome. I'll catch you guys in next vlog. Till then, bye bye.